Okay, hi guys. So we are back with another video. So in this video, yung next yung isa-solve naman natin is yung cube root ng large numbers without using calculator. But first, in solving this one, dapat alam na muna natin yung cube ng numbers from 1 to 9. So ayan. So 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ganyan. So first, the same with yung ginawa natin sa square root, alamin natin kung ano yung possible na last digit ng cube root ng ating number. So since it is ending with 4, so yung most likely or like probably yung nag-end yung cube root niya sa 4 since 4 cube is 64 and wala namang ibang numbers dyan na nag-end pa sa 4 lang, 4 cube lang, so it is ending with 4. Then i-cross out natin since this is already cube root, i-cross out natin yung last 3 digits, so we are left with 39. Bring down natin si 39. Then alamin natin kung just like what we did sa square root, alamin natin if in between what two numbers si 39. So 39 is between 27 and 64. So 7, 64, which is 3 cube tsaka 4 cube. Always pipiliin natin yung lower value or lower number. So which means nagsa-start yung cube root natin sa 3 and nag-end sa 4. Ayan. So this is already the cube root. Okay. So next naman, we have this 4, 5, 6, 5, 3, 3. So since it is ending with 3, yung last digit ng ating cube root is 7. Since only 7 lang naman yung cube lang naman ng 7 yung only na nag-end sa 3, which is 3, 4, 3, 3. So which means 7 yung last digit. Then next, cross out yung last 3 since cube root na to. So bring down 4, 5, 6. Next, alamin natin kung in between what two cubes is 4, 5, 6. So 4, 5, 6 is between 3, 4, 3 and 5, 12. So it is between 3, 4, 3 and 5, 12, which is 7 cube and 8 cube. Always pipiliin yung lower value. So it is, the cube root is starting with 7 and ending with 7. So ito na yung cube root. Yan lang. Ganun lang kadali.